guys, and welcome back to No Bland Makeup, where we do makeup and body paint tutorials, usually with a cosplay twist. And today I'm playing with the Amrezy palette again because I've apparently not grown tired of it. Keep in mind, I hate the color pink, and like 90% of the looks I've created with it are with pink. Anywho, that was my rant for the day. I will have a cosplay for you guys tomorrow, so if you're into that, stay tuned. For now, I show you how to do this. So I'm gonna go in with Semsa. That is the purplish, pinkish color. It looks more pink here, but like when you have the color a little bit more concentrated, it is definitely more of a dark purple. But I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out. I'm just putting it into the crease of my eye. Yeah, that's all I got. Just make sure that you blend it out, and just like with any darker kind of color, you're going to apply a little bit, blend it out, then apply a little bit more, so that way you control kind of what the color is going to be doing, how easy it is to blend, etc, etc. And then again, I'm going to go in with more of that color, but this time I'm going to concentrate it on not only the line of my crease, kind of like making a fake crease, if you will. I'm also going to be applying a little bit more just on the outer V to create a little bit more depth right in that area. That way it makes my eyes look like they're a little more, I wouldn't necessarily say big, but like it has a little bit more going on. And then again, you're going to blend it out, just making sure that it has a seamless flow between the deeper color and the one that you put on before, even though they're technically the same color. We want everything to blend out smoothly. And then I'm going to take some more of that Semsa color and apply it on the lower lash line, working as eyeliner. If you want to do a quick smoky eye type of dealio, this is always a good idea. You know, just have the color concentrated in one spot and have it fade out from there. It's really the easiest way to do a smoky eye, to be honest. And then I took the color Cupcake, which I did not know it was going to do this. Even like I swatched it on my hand, and it's beautiful. But I applied that on my lid, giving me some sparkle-tastic awesomeness. Seriously, I like this color way more than I thought I would. And it doesn't hurt that it's like a purple sparkle situation. And then I took some of Barb's because I apparently was not done with the glitter. That is like a rose goldy kind of shifty glitter thing. I don't know. Make sure you blend it out really well though. Just learn from my mistakes. I wound up the first day I did this with glitter particles all over my face. And then I applied some liquid eyeliner, and guess what? I finally put up that video that I've been talking about for years that I was going to do as far as eyeliner. So if you guys want a full in-depth tutorial on how easy it is to do a wing, I will have that in the cards. And probably the description, I don't know. Definitely in the cards though. If you don't want to do eyeliner, that's totally cool. You don't have to. If you don't want to do winged eyeliner, again, that's totally cool. You don't have to. But I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara and stuff. And yeah. I did apply a little bit of a liquid lipstick, which is why it looks shiny, but I swear it dries down matte. It's one of the ones from the Balm. I have to look up because I wrote down exactly what color it was. It's one of the Meet Matte Hues ones. They're actually really nice, and they kind of have this like pepperminty kind of like smell. I don't know. It's nice. They stay on. I like them. Whatever. And then I topped it off with a little bit of lip gloss from ABH. Moon Jelly is my fave. Lately anyway. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I swear I will lay off the Amrezy palette for a little bit and I'll play with something else. But if you guys want to see anything on my channel as far as makeup or cosplay or whatever, just let me know in the comments down below and I will do it. Especially because now I have no excuses because I technically don't have a job. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!